Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to comment with a blank message on Facebook posts. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device or visit the Facebook website on your computer. Find the post where you want to leave a blank comment. You can scroll through your newsfeed or use the search bar to locate a specific post. Tap on the comment section below the post. This will open the comment input box. Now, here's the trick. Facebook doesn't allow you to send an empty comment by default, but you can get around this using an invisible Unicode character. Head to the description box of this video where I've provided a blank Unicode character. Simply copy that invisible character. Go back to Facebook and paste the invisible character into the comment input box. After pasting, hit the post button, and that's it. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.